Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by testing real user speed with Lighthouse and Web Page Test. Run tests from representative locations and devices. Collect time to first byte, first contentful paint, largest contentful paint, and total blocking time. Target a time to first byte under 100 ms and largest contentful paint under 5 seconds. Measure page weight and aim to keep total transfer under 500 KB for key pages. Record third-party script impact and identify the slowest resources for targeted optimization. Compress images to 70% quality and serve modern formats like WebP or AVIF. Resize images to display dimensions and use responsive src set for multiple viewports. Enable gzip or Brotli compression and set cache TTL to 24 hours for static assets. Use a CDN close to your users to reduce latency and improve throughput. Limit synchronous third-party scripts to 3 and defer non-critical JavaScript to reduce main thread blocking. Use server-side caching and edge CDN rules to serve cached HTML when possible. Purge caches on deploy and use cache control to avoid stale content. Optimize backend queries so response times stay under 200 ms for API endpoints. Implement lazy loading for below-the-fold content and pre-connect to critical origins. Automate performance budgets with CI checks and fail builds that exceed thresholds. Monitor core web vitals in production continuously and iterate based on real user metrics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.